Everyone, I just wanted to share a kit that I got from oneadaysavings.com. They sent me a seal wax set. Super cute kit. So it has a spoon, a marker, this is one of the stamps that it comes with, and then it has these three here.
Where's 049's ring?
This one says thank you. This one's a flower.
Right here, guys.
And this one's like a lady, like old school. It's got a cute little pen. The wax for heating up the candles for heating up the wax, and then here's the wax